morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon means compounds of carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. This, for example, CH4, methane, ethane, ethene, ethyl, etc. These are hydrocarbons. Means the compounds of carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbons. Here is some examples: methane CH4, ethane C2H6, C2H4 ethene, C2H2 ethyl, and so on. There are a large number of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are classified into two types, mainly saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons on the basis of the type of covalent bond present in the hydrocarbons. On the basis of the bonding covalent bonding in hydrocarbons, we classify the hydrocarbons into two types: saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now, saturated hydrocarbons. We know that covalent bonds are of three types: single, double, and triple. Covalent bonds are of three types: single covalent bond, double covalent bond, and triple covalent bond. On the basis of types of these covalent bonds, we classify the hydrocarbon into saturated and unsaturated. If a hydrocarbon contains single covalent bond only, then that hydrocarbon is called saturated hydrocarbon. If the hydrocarbon contains double or triple bond between carbon atoms, then the hydrocarbon is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now I am going to explain saturated hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbons in which single carbon atoms are joined by single covalent bond, then they are called saturated hydrocarbon. This, for example, CH4, ethane, methane, ethane, propane, butane, By studying the bonding in saturated hydrocarbon, we find that structural formula of methane, ethane, we here find that in each hydrocarbon all the valency of carbon, all the four valencies of carbon are satisfied by single covalent bond. Here is the case also. Carbon atoms are joined by single bonding. Hydrogen atoms are joined with carbon atoms in single covalent bonds. So these are saturated hydrocarbon. On the basis of examples, we can write the general formula of saturated hydrocarbon. General formula of saturated hydrocarbon, CnH2n+2, where n equal to number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms. By putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on in place of n in the given general formula, we will find a number of saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are called alkanes. If a saturated hydrocarbon has one carbon atom, then it is CH4 called methane. Here CH4 methane. 2 carbon atoms ethane, 3 carbon atoms propane, 4 carbon atoms butane, 5 pentane, hexane, heptane and so on. Saturated hydrocarbons have a chain branched structure also. Here here we find that a CH3 group is attached at the second carbon atom of this parent hydrocarbon. Here one CH3 group is attached at this middle carbon atom of the straight chain of 3 carbon atoms. The number of carbon atoms 4. So it is butane, isobutane, because iso word is written before butane, the hydrocarbon, because similar groups are attached with one carbon atom, CH3, CH3 and CH3. If we write its IUPAC name, the branch is attached with second carbon atom or the longest chain is 1, 2, 3 propane. So we write 2-methyl propane. Here in this compound isobutane or IUPAC name 2-methyl propane, we find that all the valencies of carbon atoms are satisfied by single covalent bonds, so it is a saturated hydrocarbon. I mean here to say that saturated hydrocarbons may be straight chain, branched chain and ring structure also. Here 6 carbon atoms are joined with single covalent bonds. Here we find that 6 carbon atoms are joined together by single covalent bond as well as with hydrogen atoms by single covalent bonds. Since single covalent bonds are present in this compound, in this hydrocarbon, so it is a saturated hydrocarbon. But it is a ring, cyclic structure, ring-like structure. So name of this compound is cyclo, means ring, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms means hexane. C cyclopentane, cyclopropane. So we can now say that the hydrocarbons in which only single covalent bond is present, I mean to say that if the constituent atoms of a hydrocarbon are joined together single covalent bonds, then that hydrocarbon will be saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons have straight chain structure, branched chain structure and cyclic structure also. Okay, thank you. In next video I will explain the unsaturated hydrocarbons.